Yo, stick like size.
Young Fox.
Yo, you putting this flow on the stereo, yo. Hit the notes.
Yeah, you know what it is. Sick like Sarge on the track. Young Fox in the building. You know what I'm saying? Yo, peep this. Sick like Sarge about to lay on the law. When niggas want beef, then it's all out war. I'm not trying to get caught up on the dumb shit. Hit you with a flow, the yo will leave your dumb split. That's right, you niggas can't see me. Lyrics too breezy to put on your TV. Not on the block chipping, butt mics I'm ripping. Niggas can't catch me, yes sir, believe me. Sick like Sarge, stay out the panties if they cheesy. Yo, I stay in the booth to speak the truth. Hitting rhymes out the park like I was Babe Ruth. Yo, sick like Sarge, it's game over. Sick like Sarge, yo, it's game over. See me on the block and pushing the Range Rover. Rhyme so tight they feel the cold shoulder. Ice in the watch, you see the ice boulders.
yo, I'm a young fox rockin', walking, talking, masterminding. Yo, your girl says that I'm pretty fly. Yo, the limit's the sky. Yo, get off my dick and go vote or something before you get set off, tossed off, or boat or something, yo. I'm the prop, the cop of spaceships and rockets, like a dirty light socket to control your insanitary, compulsive tendencies of reality. OSK in your face, cause I'm a day, gonna make you pay. Woo!
Yeah.
That's what we talking about.
Putting down some shit in the booth. Hang with Young Fox, you know what I'm saying?
Sick like sauce.
You know we do, that's how we do, you know? Probably the newest member to Grimy Squad right here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So yo, keep us on YouTube, peace.